how to use animated live wallpaper on iPhone. So the very first thing you wanna do is to swipe down the screen from the top left corner. It will open up your lock screen page. Now tap and hold the screen. Swipe left and then click on this plus icon. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see the option of live photo. You need to click on it. It will open up your gallery. From the gallery, it will show you all the live pictures available on your device. Well, if you have saved animated live picture, then it will also be available to you in this page. From here, simply select the picture that you want to add it as your lock screen. Let me select this one for now. Tap on it. Well, you can see that the live picture has been added. In order to save, tap on Add at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap on Set as Wallpaper. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use animated live wallpaper on iPhone lock screen. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.